Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can blur edges of an image in Photoshop. So here you can see that I add an image in Photoshop, select that layer and click on layer from background, click on OK. So once you create a layer, you simply need to click on this rectangle marquee tool and create a rectangle like this, and that's perfect. Once you create it, go on to the select and click on inverse, then click on select again, click on modify and click on feather. So it depends on you, so I want 20% for example. Click on OK, and once you done that, you simply need to click on select again, and here you can see and apply OK. Once you done that, you simply need to click on the delete button, and here you can see that it is done. Click on deselect, and here you can see that you simply need to select your image and you can adjust your image according to your choice. So this is the process that you need to follow to blur edges of an image in Photoshop. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.